morning, beautiful people. Today I have a Diamond Art Club box opening for you. I purchased this one direct from Diamond Art Club. Because of the blue line, you can tell that it's a square kit. Gives you all the directions on the back. Tells you what the kit contents are. It's a canvas, resin diamonds, a pen, a multi-grip, comfort grip, a multi-placer and tweezers, 2 wax pads, a craft tray and resealable bags. So let's open this little beauty. I'm going for one of my smaller kits, as I've just finished a large one. Put the bag back in the box. It comes with the thank you for your purchase, gives you directions on how to diamond paint. It gives you it in 3 languages. This is the Cletus Early Bird by Richard Lorenz. It has 58 colours, 4 are ABs. I'll put this sticker into my logbook. Even the canvas has got a glitter through it. These are the lovely colours. Beautiful, beautiful. We've got a green AB, so the colours are 498, 436, green AB, which is 108, 898, 3818, 938, 937, 612, 645, 3781, 2 of 3861, 2 of 3790, 3371, 3864, 3772, 2 of 310s, 840, 813 3350 954 3328 3364 793 311 992 726 939 3810 550, which is a gorgeous purple, 327 792 129, so it's a yellow AB, 911 3809 820 434 320, and the last train 141, which is a white AB, 471 3819 738 524 372 130, which is a bright yellow AB, 3858 741 321 367 435 3854 739 3855 947 666, gorgeous red, 814 890 and 935, and 3 of 640. And it's the bird with his top hat. He's a worm. Is it a worm or a caterpillar? Little bird in the bubbles. I think this is going to look stunning when it's completed. Stunning. So that's my diamond paint and share for this morning. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you all again soon. Ta-ta for now.